Hi everyone! Today I'll show you the hidden overlay feature for time-lapse and how to download the video. I have a project that was automatically recorded in time-lapse. I go into Actions and open the Video section, where you can see the time-lapse option. Here you can view a sped-up video of how the project was created. In the video you can see the plan I used as a guide to trace the walls, as well as the grid for more accurate measurements. If you don't want these overlays to be visible, for example if you are tracing something or inserting a photo, but don't want it to appear in the video, there is a way to hide it. How do you make sure the image that you traced over isn't visible? I go to Actions, choose Add, then select Insert a photo, swipe left and tap Insert a private photo. Then I go to the photo gallery, pick any image and on a separate layer I draw something. For example, let's trace a frame. The video gets recorded as usual. Next, I go to the video and start playback. I can speed it up by swiping my finger across the screen. In the video, only the outline I drew is visible, and the photo I traced over doesn't show up. So, if you want to show a video of your work process without showing the reference photo, this feature is perfect. You can export the video to your photo gallery in either full length or 30-second format. Once I downloaded it, I open it in the photo gallery and play it. At the end of the video, you will only see the outline without the reference photo. Subscribe for more Procreate insights and techniques. I hope this feature will be helpful for your projects.